Day two in Jamaica. I just got up, about to flat iron this hair and tie it down for a little bit. Got church this morning, or meeting, I should say, because I'm going to Kingdom Hall. So we have meeting this morning. My brother and my dad went out this morning so early to go and run. And because I came in pretty early this morning, I decided to decline the invite. So I'm just going to set myself up because I know I take longer to get ready than everybody else. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna go flat iron my hair and then I'll be back. Guys, good morning, or should I say morning? 12:21. Good afternoon. It's day. I already did this with my actual camera, but I think I'm just going to stick with vlogging on my camera because I just uploaded a vlog and it only took me about like 20 minutes. So I think I'm going to just continue to use my phone and vlog. Yeah. So yeah, today is Monday, February 8th. It's Fluffy's birthday. Happy birthday. And yeah, what I was supposed to do today was go to my brother's school for sports day. But it turns out that there was no sports day today at school. So one, he was late, and two, I could not go to school with him. So it's a good thing that Kadian, my sister, works right beside his school. So that's where I am currently right now. I'm at her workplace, and we're just here for the day. There she is. You see her? She's on her phone. This is what she works. This is how she works. You see how foreign life and yard life different? Because if I was just sitting down all day long, me not get paid for it, you know? And there is no job anywhere out there where you can just sit down. You understand that me get rich? But anyways, let me show you what she at work with. Yo, my pants front coming like you want boss. Wanna see that? Yeah, coming like you want boss. Like
she's luge.
Your mama luge. Joking. Angie, I love you. You're not luge. You're smaller than the both of us combined. Okay. Is a secretary. She works at this site, this construction site at the school. What are they building, Kiana? So they're building a something building and an admin building, administrative building. And so yeah, continuous education building. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then there's all these people that just keep looking at me like I'm crazy. And then she have our fridge here where she tea from daddy. No, why no water in the fridge?
Why didn't put your water come put it in the fridge?
Excuse me?
Why didn't put your water come put it in the fridge?
So people don't need water for drink. So them for buy water when they want water?
Of course.
But Jesus Christ. Tell us them type of things that can't come afford, you know? Oh, you're not supposed to get water. Oh, you can bring your own water to work and put it in your fridge. Eh? I wish I did you my work for. Trust me. I wish it was you. Yeah, that's what's up for now. Yeah, so we're just chilling for now. I don't know what's happening later on. Trying to get somebody to bring me lunch. But we'll see what happens. Killian broke and me broke. So yeah, but she bought me bun and cheese. And yeah, so I'm just really cold right now, you guys.
But I didn't buy you a Pepsi, so you have to pay for a Pepsi, okay?
So yeah, pay me for all when me carry condom?
Yes.
Okay. So when you pay when you paying me, take out the $100 fee, $120. Never satisfied. Do you know what I mean? It's so uncomfortable sitting on this bench.
Well, it's fire here. They just got some stuff.
What? Which ear? Oh, when I dropped the thing and it fell down? I know, it was horrible that day traveling. Anyways, you guys go check out the vlog that I just uploaded. I think this will be up after the second vlog. So yeah, check out the previous vlogs. And if you haven't checked out my birthday weekend vlogs, go and check that out as well. Like, I have so many videos here that I'm going to be recording here. I'm super excited. And yeah, do you guys like this hair? Thumbs up. This is the same here for my birthday. I just added in more here. Yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Me done, you know, little more. Say bye.
Boy.
Hi guys, so it's lunchtime now. We're hungry. We're gonna go down and shop. Go look for something to eat. I'm gonna get fried chicken because I actually know the cook. It's Laura's dad, no? What is his name? Marty? Huh?
It's not all that, but
The what?
it's not all that. Food's not all that.
It's not that great, but I mean, box food? It's not always that great.
I want to ask him if he want to give me the restaurant. Honestly.
Seriously? Don't mind me, you guys. I'm in my place, like... I'm just at the square, so it's nothing serious. You see me? Oh my god, Kiana, yo, these stairs? Yo, do you guys see her stairs? This is what you have to walk down and what you have to walk up all the freaking time. Like, rain or shine. Oh my god, I left my phone. Oh, up there? Grill. Yo, I love Jamaica. Like, I want to grill in Canada. But they're gonna look at me like, what the hell are you grilling up there? Like, why do you need a grill? If I get one in Canada, like, why do you need a grill? For what? Like, what? We have alarm systems and all that type of shit. Like, our houses are like built to, like, you know, give you time to like kill somebody and shit. Can we cross? So yeah, we're just gonna go get some food. You see, I was just about to say, you soon hear them call and them don't start call already. All of Hong Kong, for what? Like, no browning is not talking to you. I'm still so white, guy. Ooh. Yo, the fact that I have all this selfie stick right now, it's drawing even more attention to the fact that I'm from foreign. More than the fact that I'm from foreign. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's so bad, but whatever. Doing this for you guys. Ooh. Oh my god, Nigel! You're gonna live so long. You're gonna live so long. It was just yesterday I was asking. Oh my gosh, say hi to my YouTube channel. Nigel! Oh my god, yo, I swear to you, it was just yesterday I was at work with Kiana. I was like, yo, how is Nigel? She's like, why do you want to talk to him for? Alright.
Politics are all the way up on the road.
Alright, Nigel, later. Oh my god. Yeah, you do? Oh my god, that's Kiana's ex-boyfriend and she hates the fact that I like him. But I don't care. Ooh,
So,
off sale. Huh?
no, so they were going to
No, they were going that way.
So?
Yeah.
And after me see they go. So I took see and
Maybe. Oh. That couldn't have been staged. I'm so happy I saw him. I was literally asking for him yesterday. Anyways, what are you gonna get? I'm gonna get fried chicken. Alright.
I brought the extra.
Zoe?
You saw what you need?
Yeah. Oh, what do I need? Oh, fried chicken. I thought you said, what's my name? But I could need another Zoe too.
Zoe?
Yes.
So you need a fried chicken?
Yes, please. What do you want, small or large?
Small.
Yeah, 2 small fried chicken.
What then? 2 small chicken.
Breast, please. Breast.
Sure, but can I get
2
outside
breasts.
gravy? So I can slip and drop in the cesarean and start fall.
Go from my side.
Oh,
You want the regular?
sure. What is? Yo, give it to me because you're so ugly and awkward. Like, I can't stand you. Mission accomplished. Lunch done. Kiana, can you hold my box food? Arian start fall. Every friggin' day in a friggin' fall. I've been peeing all day. Good time, man. Hennessy in the... Yo, you know who was the first person I ever heard say that? Shanko. Everything was your deaf? Like, no, nigga, I'm not. Like, I'm not deaf. I can hear perfectly well. My ears are very clean. My ears are very clean. Like, I am not deaf. Is it me? Yes. Yes, ma'am. I always do. Them I walk with a load clock. Want see me in a board box. Same friend where we put a pass through back. Never deserve a space from a Kodak. Ross. Why so much nice, man? Alright, back up the stairs now, no people. Watch there. All up this way she go. To Ross. Oh my god. What? Oh. Yo, this is a workout. I don't know how Katie and I get fat. And she have so much stairs for walk up and down. Them no one see me here, but so me know say I can them. Okay. So, oh wow, somebody was texting me. As soon as I can make it to Tilks. It's probably my boo, my honey bunny. So anyways, me get my cranberry water. I don't never have the grape one. I do prefer the grape. But I got my cranberry water. And Ross.
There's a padlock on it.
And I get my $350 back suit.
I thought it was a small one, you know?
No, this is it. So, fried chicken, curry gravy. They never have oxtail gravy. I don't understand. Macaroni salad, rice and peas, and pepper. So I'm gonna consume this now. I will catch you guys later. Yo, are you guys taking this in? This is all for the election, okay? You know, like a what, girl. What are you laughing for? Why does my camera make you look so luge?
You get it?
Way back here for you to seem somewhat normal in size.
But I am. Oh.
Is this curry?
No, it's not.
It's what? Where's the brown stew?
It's just not enough. Don't put this on the channel, okay?
What do you mean it's not enough?
I didn't want it too black, and when you throw too much in there, too much brown in, it bitter.
I know. Okay, guys, wait. This is her apartment. So this is her kitchen area. I guess like extra storage area, right? This is her bathroom. This is where she may possibly be moving. And yes, oh, it smells. Yeah, but this is, and then this is her kitchen. As you can see, this is our stove. She use Russian. You understand? And then this is like where she has sex. And I know it's nasty. And then this would be like her little chill spot area and whatnot. These are the chairs she stole from my daddy's house the other night. And this is her dresser. I love it. I love her dresser. And look, there's me. There's me. So white. That was at Brit Jam. I wish I was here for Brit Jam this year. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna miss all white. I'm gonna miss all white. Oh my god. All white. But what are you doing? I need my blanket. Anyways, yeah, the elections are serial out here, yo. Like two people already died the other night at the mass rally in Sam Sharp Square. And they're doing it again, so
2 more tonight.
don't say that. You're so stupid. So yeah, I don't know why they're like taking it like upon themselves to kill themselves for these people. Even though they said that it wasn't election related, this shit happens all the time. Like, it happens all the time. Like, so that's what happens with politics. It's corruption. And they say you're supposed to give a shit about your country or whatever the case may be, but if I'm gonna die for them and they're not doing anything for me, like, you guys are still without water in some places, you guys are still without all the needs that you guys want and stuff, or all the things that you're supposed to have. No jobs. People are having to sleep around and you sell their bodies in order to friggin' make it through school. And you want people to vote for you guys? Like, nah, like, ain't nobody got time for that. But killing is not the answer, because you guys are